New South Wales. It's Sunday the 19th of July and this is your weather forecast for the week ahead. Alright, it's a fairly calm and stable week. We'll go through it day by day, but good news is it should be a short video for you. Okay, off the Tasman Sea, we had a low pressure system that delivered strong rainfalls up here in the north coast. That dissipates on Monday. That also brought some strong, let's say here, some strong surf and coastal risk. That risk still lies for Monday, but the rainfall should back off by Monday. By Tuesday, the whole state is relatively calm and stable. Wednesday, some light showers in the interior, unlikely to really see much more than drizzle. Same drizzle for Thursday. Friday, we're dry across the whole state. Saturday, again, drizzle in the south. And Sunday, drizzle. So yeah, calm, stable, easy breezy week ahead. Let's talk about the temperatures with that though, because there's that high pressure system making all that calm and stable weather, means that we can have some overnight radiative cooling. So let's have a look at some of the minimum temperatures here. Monday in the alpine regions, -5 to 0 degrees, but across from that 0 to 5 degrees. So definitely likely risk of fog or frost conditions across most of New South Wales here. And I would imagine that that exists for most of the week. Yep, here we go. That's Tuesday, same issue. Wednesday reduces. There's a bit of moisture there and humidity as some cold fronts move through in the south, raising a bit of humidity there for you. Thursday, much warmer. Friday, only cold in this very alpine pocket. And Saturday, that cold arrives again. We can see some southerlies giving some cold air advection. So we've got -5 to 0 degrees across a large area of the northeast, but this is 0 to 5 degrees all across the state. So Saturday, likely to see lots of frost and fog. Yeah, similar for Sunday, but not as bad. Okay, cool. Let's have a look quickly at the wind. This is the wind driving your dangerous coastal conditions. As we can see, it sticks around into Monday, but definitely weakens. Let's go ahead onto Saturday to have a look if this is a breezy cold or a pretty stable cold. Nah, she is a stable cold. So definitely Saturday likely to see frost and fog conditions. Okay, let's move to our city of choice to have a bit of an investigation. I've chosen Dubbo this week because it's getting that interesting cold pocket on Saturday. But before we get there, let's have a look. We've got quite low lows at the start, Tuesday and Wednesday 3 and 2 degrees, and then Friday 0, Saturday -1, Sunday 2, Monday 4, so quite cold. Let's zoom in on this Saturday, -1 degrees, very strong frost risk, and we get that fog risk towards the end of the day as well. No winds, cold temperatures, decent spraying conditions though as well. That frost is also a risk on Friday and not Sunday. Okay, cool. So it's Friday and Saturday is our frost risk days. Fog arrives on Sunday and Monday. Let's have a look at these cool conditions at the start. Potential a little bit of frost on Tuesday, but nothing major. All right, so that's it for New South Wales. A high is dominating across the state for pretty much the whole week, bringing calm, stable, cold conditions, so likely to see widespread frost and fog, especially later in the week as it gets really cold from some cold air parcels moving through. Have a great week, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.